Hello everyone, my name is Oscar Martinez. Welcome to Oscar Cocina. Today we're going to be making a healthy, really good seafood salad. It's going to be so delicious. Come on everyone, just follow me. Booyah! Alright everyone, let's go through the ingredients. We got soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, olive oil, romaine organic lettuce, cilantro, garlic, cranberries, red onions, bell peppers. We got limes, avocado, and white pepper powder, and powder onions, and cayenne pepper. Make it a little bite, you know, a little hot. And also we have the Himalayan salt. We got shrimps, scallops, walnuts, and the cherry tomatoes underneath. Let's go have some fun, come on now. All right, here we go. We're gonna rinse it out as always. You know, we're gonna peel it. There we go, and you're gonna just leave the end of it, the tail. All right, now we're gonna marinate the shrimps in with the scallops in there. I'm gonna put some fresh garlic. And add on some onion powder, just to add a little extra flavor to it. Now we're gonna add on some white pepper. It's not as strong as black pepper, you know, so, but it still gives a nice flavor to it. Should be good enough. Also, we're gonna squeeze half a lime in there. I'm adding cayenne pepper. Should be good. I like, you know, my food pretty spicy, so now we're gonna add on some extra light olive oil, extra virgin, just to keep it moist. That's good enough. And then of course some Himalayan pink salt. That should be good enough. We're mixing everything together, the scallops and shrimps. Look how delicious that looks. Just, you know, leave it sit and marinate, let it marinate for about 20 minutes. All right, we're gonna chop up the lettuce. All right, make sure you cut it, you know, slice it up very fine. This one we'll use half of an onion. Alright, we're gonna add on the yellow and orange bell pepper and onions with it. Cherry tomatoes, avocados. Some cranberries, and also some walnuts. All right, now we're going to chop up cilantro so we can start making the dressing. And we're going to squeeze about 2 limes in there. This is a whole head of cilantro. Right, now we're going to squeeze some limes in there. Underneath that cilantro, there's some fresh garlic. It's probably about 4 teeth of garlic. I'll squeeze two and a half limes in there. That should be plenty. All right, now we're going to add on some olive oil. I would say about 2 tablespoons. Salt. Should be good enough. Teriyaki sauce. I would say about 1.5 tablespoons, and a little bit of soy sauce too. About 1.5 tablespoons. Add on some dry chili pepper. Perfect. Taste it out. Wow, amazing. What we're gonna do, we're gonna fry up the scallops. It has to be on pretty high, you know, the fire, so add some olive oil in it. All right, once you put the scallops in there, make sure you cover it up and let it cook each side for about 4 minutes. Add on the shrimps now, fry separately. I would say like fire close to medium, you know. I'll say cook it for about 2 minutes on one side and then the other side for about 2 minutes. But the scallops should be about 4 minutes on each side. Alright, spent about 4 minutes on the scallop. So I just flipped it over. Another 4 minutes and it should be ready. Alright everyone, here comes the best part. So let's fix the plate. Alright everyone, here comes the best part. Let's get a little bit of everything. Cranberry, bell pepper, avocado. Wow, so amazing. It's got that nice cilantro flavor, a little kick in it, spicy. Wow, so delicious. Cheers everyone, salud. Thank you everyone for your subscription, comments, or like. That really means a lot to me. Please stay safe, believe in God, let's love each other, and God bless. Have a good night. Thank you. Booyah!